Hello guys, and welcome back in the business again in Switzerland at Parisi Automobile. Check them out. They will have this car and you will love it. They have amazing price, great discounts. Today I will make the full test drive with the new i20 2021 version, and you will love this car. Again, shitty weather today, and I still want to do this test drive for you guys with the new i20. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. You will see also the full review with the car. I have the full review with the new i20 on my channel, and you will be really impressed with the price and with the car. Right here is the car. Let's do the test drive and then we will talk at the end, guys. Alright guys, so here is the car, here is the key. We will make the test drive and then we will talk a little bit about the car. Also, something that I like very much about this new i20 are the doors. They sound so nice, the quality of the doors are awesome, but here it's super noisy because of so many cars outside. What I want to say is that the sound of the doors when you close it, it's amazing. It's great quality, and also the insulation inside the car, it's very well, because outside there are so many cars pass by here. I don't know if you can see it. It's doing a great job by insulating the noise from outside much better. I owned this car before the version preview, the i20, and it was not so good as this new one. So the new Hyundai i20, it's amazing. I mean, in terms of insulation, it's great. Also, the visibility on the windows, it's fantastic. It's a great car. By the way, today we have the cheapest entry-level version of the new Hyundai i20. We have the 1 liter TGDI Origo version. We have the 7-gear, the new one, the 7-gear dual clutch gear shifter. Also, we have 100 horsepower, 172 Newton meters. The options and all that information you will see in another video. Check out my other review, full review with this e20 on my channel. You will find all the information, space, quality, materials, infotainment system, multimedia system, and all that information you will find in another video. The price of this car, 20,000 francs. You have a discount, 3,000 discount, 3,000 francs discount if you come at Parisi Automobile. I will leave the link in the description, of course, right there. Now I'm finished. The key is normal classical key, no start engine button. Just press the key and then start the car. The engine is very silent, something that I find out before playing a little bit with the car. The engine is super silent. We don't have installed the navigation system. You have to install it right here on the multimedia system because it's the entry level. It's a brand new car. It doesn't have the navigation yet. The car comes with a manual handbrake, by the way, and also this is the gear shifter. It's very simple to change the gears. The car comes also with a reverse camera. You can see it right here. The resolution is good. You can see perfectly behind, so you don't have to worry in terms of visibility. In the back also come with 4 parking sensors in the back. Now the new cockpit, it's something that I love about this car. You can see amazing colors and resolution there. It's fantastic. It's perfect. It's like the more premium cars, something like you see on the Land Rover, Range Rover, for example. It's gorgeous. Also, the multimedia system, it's awesome. You have a great visibility. The car comes with USB ports down there, 12-volt port and stuff like that. Great visibility in the back on this big mirror. I like it. I like also the steering wheel. It has a nice design and great grip. Also from here you have a button, driving modes. You can change the driving mode. This is the comfort mode. I like how cool it looks, those dials there. And this is the sport mode. We will drive in all 3 modes and you tell me which one you like more, but it's awesome. I mean, I'm super excited to drive this car and to test it right now. Also manual adjustable seats, by the way, but you can see all that in my other video. Check that video, guys, with the full review. Now press the brake. The engine is already warm. I warmed it before, and then put it in the drive just like that, and then yes, of course, manual handbrake. I get used with electronic handbrake. And first impression, we are in eco mode right now. I drive in eco mode a little bit, then in normal, in the comfort mode, and then in sport mode. Now also you can adjust the different settings on the cockpit, but check out the other video. There you will see all those details in the other video. First impression is that I have a great visibility in the mirrors, quite amazing. Also the steering wheel, it's super soft. I'm curious about the suspensions. Yeah, it's quite silent. The engine, I like the engine, it's super silent. Also the car comes with lane assist. The car can read the traffic speed limit. It has a camera there. Even if this is the entry level, guys, I'm quite impressed that the car comes with all that amazing features. And I'm really curious about this automatic gear shifter. Also we will see the consumption. I reset the consumption to see how he will do. Also first impression, I like the steering wheel. I like how soft it is. It's super easy to use it in eco mode. The visibility, it is very good. The suspension, until now, they feel great. I take some bumps here and there, small bumps, and they feel quite good. Also the car comes with cruise control. You can set it from here, lane assist as well. We have to drive 50 right here. It's quite nice. Good visibility also in this big mirror back there. It's quite silent. Also the car comes with this manual climatic system, but it's super simple. It doesn't take your eyes off the road. But today it's not so good weather. Accelerate in eco mode. Wow, it's changing the gears so smooth. And I have 100. I don't even feel when I get to 100. Well, that's impressive. The gear shifter, the new automatic gear shifter, it's super good. I tested on the new Hyundai i20, you can check out the full review also on my channel, and it's super impressive. Oh, I like this car. I like the way it feels. It's so easy to drive it. We have 60, and you can see it can read the traffic speed limit. Let me see it here on the curves. The way it takes the curves, it stay good. Yeah, it's not bad. It stay also good on the road, on the curves. It's doing a great job. Acceleration, changing the gears in eco mode, it's quite okay. Turning on the lights, put it on the auto. The tail lights, it's quite cool. But to be honest, I like it. I like what I see. I like what I feel. The suspension are quite good. We have to drive 50 right here. Slowly 50 right now. Wow, super nice. And to be honest, it's reading the traffic speed limit super good. Super good. It's warn you when you drive faster than 50 or than the speed limit, and that's really awesome. And when you drive slowly like that, it's super impressive that the engine is super smooth. I like that very much. It's doing a great job. Also, let's change the driving mode. Let's go in the comfort mode right now. In comfort mode, let's see how the car is feeling in comfort mode. The steering wheel, it's a little bit more responsive. Oh man, it's a little bit more softy. I like that. The acceleration, it's also a little bit more responsive. Change the gears. Oh my god, look at this. I don't even feel when it changed the gears. You don't even. Wow, I'm impressed, really. I like it. The brakes are good, very good. Acceleration again. 4, you feel that? 5, 4, 5, bam bam. It doesn't feel when it changed. I like that. Oh man, I like that. And let's go in sport mode. Right now in sport mode, the engine is already warm. I leave it a little bit before. In sport mode, I'm really curious. It's changing red. Man, I like this cockpit. I feel like I'm in more expensive car. That's really impressive. We have to wait for this guy. Quite impressed. It's really nice. Also, it show you here when you close the wipers. It show you on the cockpit all the information. You can change different settings right there, the speed, the consumption right now, and you can see a lot of information about the car there. Let me close that. Roundabout here, the turning radius, it's quite good, to be honest. It feels super nice. Turning radius, it's very good. We are in sport mode. The car changing the gear, very nice and smooth. Wow, it's quite cool. I cannot accelerate here, but I will a little bit later when I will be able to do that. It's much more responsive in the sport mode, and the steering wheel, it's a little bit more stiffer, a little bit more harder. But wow, this 100 horsepower, it feels much more powerful than they are, and that's super impressive. Really impressive. The brakes are also nice and good, and they feel good. Also, I like this line there. I don't know if you can observe that. It is a line down there that show you when you regenerate the energy, how will be the consumption be in this moment, on a little bit later. That's quite cool. Now in the eco mode, also you will see there the line in blue, and then move it to the comfort mode. I like the comfort mode. I like those dials. I never see it before on other cars. I like the way they look. Then going into the sport, and we try to accelerate a little bit right now when we can do that. And I'm quite curious the ways change. The gears, right now we can drive faster. Let's accelerate. Oh yes, oh yes, super cool. I like the acceleration. It's really responsive. Indeed, I like the way it feels. Great job. And now the car opened the lights automatic as well. It feels, it has these sensors, great on curves. The suspension are really good. I didn't even feel the bump so hard. Again, here accelerate. And if I also slow down a little bit, it's third. You feel a little bit of punch. Wow. Great job, great job, great job, great car. Amazing, I love it. Let's go back to Eco. Ah man, I don't know with 100 horsepower how they are able to do all all that acceleration and all that explosion, I think it's impressive. It's really impressive. I think they did a great job with the car, and I like the way it feels, to be honest. Very good Hyundai. Yeah, big improvement, guys. If you own before an i20 and you go inside this car, you will understand it's a big improvement. I like much more this new i20. It feels like you're driving a more expensive car, more premium car, and that's something that I'm quite impressed. And I really appreciate what they do. The curves, it's taking so good. Great job, really great job, Hyundai. You did a great job with this car. I'm super impressed. The turn radius, it's great, it's small. The easiness to drive, it's amazing. And also the design, exterior design, it's much more improved. And it's super silent also. The engine, it's mega silent. Here are some bumps, you don't even feel it. You feel it, but for this size and for this car, I think they did a great job. They managed to do a great job with the car, and I like it very much. Guys, I think that was the review. That was the test drive review with the new i20. I hope you really enjoy it. I think they did a great job with the car. I think it's an amazing car for this price. I think they do, I don't know, it's just, I like it very much. It's much better than the previous version I owned before. I don't know if you see me on my channel. I owned before for a few months the i20, the previous version, and to be honest, this one, it's the next level, the next step, and I like it very much. I like much more this version. Also, guys, I love the new cockpit. I like the multimedia system. I like the steering wheel, the way it feels. I like the driving modes, the different driving modes, eco, comfort and sport mode, the way you change between them. The new mirrors are awesome. If you want to see the full review with this new i20 interior exterior, the same car, check out on my channel, guys. There you can see the full review, and there I go into detailed price and all that stuff. Also, guys, what can I say more? The seats are really comfortable. I don't feel any pain in the back. Even if they are manual adjustable, they are super good. The visibility is good, plenty of space. Also the space in the back is great. By the way, you want to see the price and all that stuff, let me show you here. As I said, the car have 20,000 francs is the price of the car, guys. 1 liter TGDI, and we have this automatic gear shifter. So $20,000, it's an amazing price in my opinion for what this car can offer. And that was the test drive. I hope you really enjoy it. I hope it was helpful. If you have questions, ask me down below. I will answer all your questions. Also, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the newest car that come on the market. I will have new surprise, also the new Tucson that come this year. In 1 month we will be on my channel, full review, and I will go into detail. I will review also the new i20, the full option version. You will love that video. And guys, thank you for watching again. Stay safe, and I guess I see you soon in the next one.